Christmas? Is this your friend's list, Christmas? Is this your friend's list? That's a nice picture, Christmas. Very nice.
Put it on YouTube.
Look at the puffy hair. Oh, look. Oh my God. I think I just did it to myself. Oh, that stinks. Can we go back to my favorite site? It's called Dog Book. It's called a dog book right now. You don't know? Okay. I'm gonna lay down. Talk to you later, Kristen. Play dead, Milo. Play dead. Bam! He's dead. Oh, Pet Cemetery dog! Pet Cemetery! Go rabbit on him. Go. Yeah. So what are you doing? I like hanging out sometimes. Surfing the puppy web. Oh yeah. All the hot dogs go there. Unfortunately, I'm not one of them. Nope. I'm gonna hide now. I'm sorry. It's okay. Yeah, I know. Alright. I'm gonna play dead again. You sure you don't want me to get on Pet Dog Facebook? No? Okay. Maybe just for a little while? Alright, maybe not today. Again, like I said, I really like that picture. Am I bothering you? Good night, Chrislyn. Somebody's at the door. Let me go bark at him. Get him. Go get him. Go. Go get him. Move.
I think you should put this on YouTube.
Play dead.
I can put this on YouTube.
Go get him. Go get him.
Put it on YouTube.